Your first job. Be prepared to start at the bottom. There's a steep learning curve ahead, which will take time. Be ready to follow the firm's documentation standards. If you're unsure on how to draft something, ask for examples to follow. Be responsible for your learning. Keep notes of what you're taught and where to find answers. Take a look at the parlour guides to prepare yourself on how to manage difficult situations and career progression in the office. Remember, you have your whole career to work out what you want to do and how you want to do it. So enjoy the journey.